Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to verify your age on Roblox. So first thing you wanna do, this is the same for PC and phone, it doesn't matter. You wanna head over to your settings and then click on settings one more time. Now, as you can see that right next to birthday, there's this pencil icon. For some of you guys, it should say verify your age at the very top, but it doesn't say it for me because this is unfortunately a child's account. So when I click on this, it says update your birthday. So to do that, let's say I put in my real age, something like this, and then click on continue. And then what they're gonna ask me is to verify my age. So we have to verify it with an ID. So when I click on verify ID, it says that you need to put in either your driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit, and you do need a smartphone. Okay, you cannot do it on your PC. So take out your phone. The process is same. Go to the settings and then click on your birthday to update it, and just click a picture of whatever ID proves your real age, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.